What we're doing here is we're charging this system by weight. This is an R410a unit. This is a 3-ton GOODMAN heat pump that we're charging. Now, the way we charge here is according to manufacturer specifications, and that is by weight. With this situation, the manufacturer recommends that we charge 0.6 ounces per foot beyond the 15-foot pre-charged unit that we have here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the liquid side, the liquid line gauge to this tank. We are going to charge by liquid. We've got about 35 feet total, minus the 15. Leaves us with about 11 ounces of R410a refrigerant per the linear foot that we had left over here. So once that is charged into the system, we open up the suction valve first in the liquid line valve, and we check our manufacturer's charging recommendations for outdoor ambient or air dry bulb temperature. In the heating mode, because this is a heat pump, we will run the stage here on low stage. First stage heating when we charge. We have this system sitting for 24 hours to warm up the oil that's in the compressor, which will be very low viscosity once this is warmed up, and will blend perfectly with the R410a refrigerant during startup operation the next day. When charging, very important that one always charges by weight with an air conditioning or heat pump system, and always according to the manufacturer recommendations. Always.